Hey, I got some good news on my Tacoma. I was running into an issue because I bought a anytime camera, front camera, so I can use my rear and front camera on my Tacoma. But the dilemma I had was this smaller switch. You have to drop an existing switch out of an already full switch panel above the center console. And I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to Mickey Mouse that. So I called one of the owners at Caliraise. I just happened to get a hold of him, which I guess isn't that hard. And I explained my dilemma to him, and he told me that he's had a few other requests for smaller switches. Now they make one with the OEM style large switches, which are these right here, these larger switches, like this that I have for my ditch lights that I'm going to install. But they didn't have them for the smaller switch. So the kind gentleman at Caliraise made me a custom one. This is a prototype that has this middle switch, which is smaller, that will allow for my camera switch. He said if this prototype works out, then he's going to go ahead and start making these and making them available to everybody. So I'm hoping this all works out. I'm going to take you guys through this video. Make sure you hit them up at Caliraise if you guys want to do something like this and get this made, because I think it's definitely, there's a need out there for this. Like I said, this operation panel here with all these switches, at least in my 2019 Tacoma, is full. I don't like the idea of dropping one of these switches out and putting it behind the center console taped. I know a lot of people do that. I don't like that. I don't think that's a great solution. So this is an alternative solution. Make sure that you guys contact Caliraise and let them know that you're interested in maybe getting some switches from them, getting one of these panels that will maybe resolve some problems. If you like this video, if you have a comment, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I got other videos coming for scooter repairs, anything on 2, 4, 5, 3, whatever, how many wheels we have. I love working on things. I love finding solutions to problems. Again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and just remember, I'm just a man in a cave causing mayhem. Thanks again for watching.